I think that we have to put this event on Isfahan within the regional context and what happened on the 13th of this month. I think that we have to put this event on Isfahan within the regional context and what happened on the 13th of this month, the true promise of Iran. But I think that it depends how Iran will take it. Would Iran take it as local security issue and deal with it as, spies and the quadcopter attacking something as usual, or it's going to put it within regional and then retaliate strategically on Israel. I think that it's like tit for tat. The major deterrent for both parties is the United States of America, and nobody would dare to go into some regional war. Nobody wants it. The strategy of Iran is like fighting by proxy. This is like the way of war of Iran. It's like fighting by proxy. They used to fight by proxy because it's cheaper. But when the Israel attacked the embassy and the consulate, it's something new. But however, it's new, but why Iran went into war and attacking Israel? Because it felt more confidence by itself that is really able and cannot really back itself, not really hitting Israel vis-a-vis, the unity of arenas, because the credibility of Iran is at stake. Moreover, it felt the weakness of the United States of America and the region, as well as the incapability of the Israeli armed forces and Netanyahu to really finish Gaza after 7 months. So in this perspective, Iran felt that it has to retaliate in order to draw more lines.
Saya Cynthia Rompas. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.